What's up, everybody? I'm Justin with CBI Off-Road. Today we're going to show you how to install an ARB twin air compressor on your 5th gen 4Runner. Stay tuned. All right, so our first step, we're kind of down here on the ground. We got everything unpacked. We're going to be installing the plate onto the back of the compressor. We're going to be getting these clip nuts installed on our CBI brackets as well. Just a heads up, this product has been on our 4Runner for about 2 years now, so it's been used and abused. So bear with us, it's kind of dinged up and all that, but yours is going to be super fresh, going to be good, but just be aware, yeah, ours is definitely used. But we just want to take it off the vehicle, shoot this video, and then we'll be installing it again to show you how to do it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start installing our CBI plate onto the ARB compressor using the ARB supplied bolts. Just take note of the orientation here. You want this smaller ear facing the side that has the wiring on it. So we'll get the bolts started, and then once they're all started, then we'll come back and tighten them all down. All right, so these clip nuts we're going to install on the furthest drilled holes, and the clip nut risen side is going to be going down. So these guys will just slide on here, give them a good push, and they're in place. Same on this side. Okay, there we go. This next bracket, we're going to do the same process on the top side here. The clip nut risen side is going to go downward, just like that. Same on this side. Now we're ready to work on the vehicle. All right, so we're on the driver's side of the vehicle, right by the battery. So while this is open, you want to go ahead and get all your wiring run to control this. We're using our S-Pod to control it, so we've already wired all that in. And also figure out kind of your plumbing, if you want, air chucks towards the front of the vehicle, the back, kind of get all that decided before this process. Once you get all that done, now we can start installing these on the vehicle. So we have these 2 holes already pre-threaded in the vehicle. We'll give you a close-up of that, but we're gonna take our angled bracket and our larger supplied bolts, and we're gonna thread that in and tighten them down. All right, so next up we're going to take our other bracket and our smaller supplied bolts and install it. So this curve here is going to face the back of the vehicle, and it's going to go right down in there, and I'll show you a close-up of these holes. All right, so we got our brackets installed. Now we're gonna go ahead and get all of our wiring connected, and then we'll be setting this into place and mounting it. All right, so now we got it sitting in place. We're gonna line up our holes and then get our supplied bolts started. These are 3/16 Allen to tighten them up once you get them all started. All right, so now we got it tightened down. We got our wiring connected. Now we're gonna connect our air source, and we're ready to roll. All right, that sums up our install tutorial, 5th generation 4Runner, ARB air compressor mount. Thanks for watching. As always, like, subscribe, leave us a comment below. Thank you.